you can do fun stuff with the stick.
Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, it's CarGirl11. Today we're going to do an interesting video with CarGirl11 and myself. She's been really bugging me to drive the Corvette. And as you know, it is a manual, and she's never driven a manual. so she finally broke me down. And I decided to let her try it just to see, you know, if she would like to drive a manual. And this really isn't an easy manual to drive. And I was kind of giving her some tips, but we haven't done anything as far as moving yet. Just practicing with the clutch. How's it feel?
It feels good. It's a little different. It's definitely something I have to get used to. But I am so psyched. I can't wait. I'm just very excited. I have never driven a manual before, so this is like first ever. And what other car to practice on?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have any vehicles to try it on. I've had several in the past, but right now, this is all we got. And like I told her and you guys, it's really not the easiest because the clutch is a little difficult, and even the gear, the manual stick itself is a little bit tough. But we're just starting in the parking lot right now, so what we're gonna do is basically just show you how to engage the clutch without stalling the car. So the first exercise we're gonna do, and this is good for if any of you guys don't know how to drive a manual as well, sort of like a tutorial. This is a real basic step that you should learn how to do before you know, getting on the road, of course. But basically it's engaging the clutch in first gear in a parking lot without the use of the throttle, and this will get you the hang of modulating that left foot so you don't stall the car. And if you do stall the car, it's not going to be that big a deal because there's no gas, so you're just going to kind of bucket a little bit and stall. But anyway, so that's the first thing we're going to try. And I've got many cameras here, so
okay. All right, you tell me.
So basically it's the gear shift is in neutral, and of course you're going to want to push the clutch in first to put it in first gear.
All the way down, you said?
All the way down.
Okay.
And then all the way to the left and up for first gear. And you'll see the number 1 on the dash, which is nice on the Corvette. It shows you what gear you're in.
Now I don't need the brake on, right?
We're on a level surface, so we don't need to brake, but go ahead and hold on the brake.
Hold the brake a little bit.
We're going to release the parking brake because this will cause you to stall.
Okay.
So the parking brake released. And the first thing you're going to do is just release the brake itself. Okay. And we're not going to go backwards because we are in a level lot.
Okay.
And then you're going to slowly release the clutch until you feel it engaging. Yep, you're engaging.
Okay, I can hear it.
Yep, good job.
Okay.
All right, so that was good. You didn't stall it.
All right.
All right, now you're going to push the clutch back in.
Sorry.
Push the clutch back in first, and then the brake.
And then the brake. Oh,
good job.
A little hard.
Good job.
Okay.
How did that feel?
It was different.
All right, we want to try it again, the same exact thing.
Okay. So brake is on, and I'm just releasing the clutch very slowly.
Release the brake. You did?
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah. You have to, okay. So that was your first stall. Was uneventful because the brake was on. All right. So now you're gonna push the clutch back in.
Okay.
And you can hold on the brake and then hit the button, the start button. You're gonna release the brake.
Okay.
And then release the clutch again to engage. You're still in first gear. So.
Yeah.
Yep. So that was a little bit too quick.
Okay.
on the release of the clutch pedal.
Wow. All right.
Yeah, there you go. Now give it a little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. There you go. Okay, now let's try to make a turn here. Either way, you have to cut it hard. Okay, good, good. Go back this way, I guess.
Okay, oh, not that way.
And then put the clutch back in and brake. Brake. Good.
It's a hard break.
All right, all right. Now let's try it with the accelerator as well. So what you would do is release the brake, give it a little bit of gas, probably like around one, a little over 1, and then release the clutch. Yeah, now release the clutch. That's probably good enough, yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Always remember, you could push that clutch back in really quickly. You don't have to be slow to push it in.
Okay. What? Right at the end, it's...
Yep.
It's not, I don't know what to do.
I would just, you have to be more gentle. Or, like I said, you could give it a little bit of gas.
Okay, I'm going to talk myself through this. Let go of the brake gently. Let go of the clutch slowly.
Just push it back in. And once you feel grab, push it back in to get that feeling. You can always, yep, exactly. You feel it gonna stall a little bit, push it right back in. Yep. So you can always recover then. Yep.
I just want to push it back in one more time. See if I can do it.
Yep. Yep. Give it a little more gas. There you go. Okay, good. All right, now push the clutch in. Push the clutch in, and then shift on the second. Yep. Now release the clutch. Good job. That's second gear. Yeah. Let's go around the bend here. That's doing that because it's a little bit too slow for second gear, but okay.
Well, I can take care of that.
See, okay. And now, do you want to make another loop? Or?
Okay. Yeah. This is so cool. Am I pushing the clutch again?
Yeah, to stop. Or go make the loop around.
Gently. Oh, there we go.
If you want to go and don't go too close to this curb.
Okay.
Make it wider.
All right.
Yeah. If you want to go up to third, you can stay on this. Okay. You have to go faster than that to go up to third, but you'd have to push. Yeah, go up this fast, a little faster.
Push the clutch in?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, release the clutch.
No.
Yeah. Well, it's a little too.
Yeah, sorry. We didn't have much space in front of us. I didn't want to hit into something.
All right. Now push the clutch and then go in the back brake. You can put it into neutral now. Yeah. That's it. Good job.
I don't believe you. I didn't do very well. I tried so hard.
No, you did well.
It was really fun.
It's just tough, and it takes a while to get used to. But a lot of young people don't know how to drive a stick, and it's because there's very little cars that have manuals these days. So it's a lost art, or it's really becoming a lost art. But it is fun once you get the hang of it.
Well, this is my first time, so how would you rate my first time?
I think you did well, and you didn't even stall it. The first attempt, you didn't even stall.
I know. I did pretty well, so I'll just have to keep practicing.
So, all right, guys, I think kind of did a little intro here. Hopefully it helps some of you as well. Definitely let me know if you have questions. I can try to answer in the comments. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely give it a like if you like CarGirl11 trying to drive my car. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.